Did you know you can get the same benefits as an hour at the gym in just 4 minutes a day? Yes, you don't need hours of fancy equipment, just a few moves, and you're all set.
Today's video is about getting fit at home with a 4 minutes workout that can replace a full gym session. Here's what you'll discover. 5 powerful exercises that anyone can do at home. Tips on how each move benefits your body for weight loss. Ways to turn these quick moves into a daily routine that actually works. By the end, you'll have a quick, effective workout you can do anytime, anywhere. Before we start, please remember to consult a healthcare professional before beginning any new exercise routine, especially if you have existing health conditions. These exercises are designed for general fitness and may not suit everyone. Listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and feel free to modify exercises to match your comfort level.
The plank is simple but extremely effective for strengthening your core. Start on your forearms with your body in a straight line, holding the position. It works not just your abs but also your back, shoulders, and legs. Start with a 20-second hold, do it 3 times, building up as your core gets stronger. Push-ups are a great upper body workout that targets your chest, arms, and shoulders. Start in a plank position, lower your chest towards the floor, and push back up. If you're a beginner, you can do push-ups on your knees to start. Aim for 10 to 15 reps, increasing as you get stronger. Mountain climbers are excellent for cardio and core strength. Begin in a plank position and bring one knee towards your chest, then switch legs as if you're climbing. This move increases your heart rate, burns calories, and tones your abs. Do it for 30 seconds to start, then gradually move to 1 minute and building up as you go. Squats are a powerhouse move for toning your legs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower yourself as if sitting in a chair, then push back up. This move not only strengthens the lower body but also burns calories and improves balance. Do 15 to 20 squats to start and gradually increase over time. Lunges target your legs and glutes while also working on stability. Stand tall, take a step forward, and lower your body until your back knee almost touches the floor, then return to standing. This move tones and sculpts your thighs and hips, giving you lean, strong legs. Start with 10 lunges per leg and gradually increase it to 20 lunges per leg.
This 4-minute routine is best done once or twice a day, ideally in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. Since it only takes 4 minutes, you can also fit it in between tasks or use it as a quick energy boost. Consistency is key. Doing these moves daily will bring long-lasting benefits. And remember, you don't need any special equipment, just your determination. Over time, increase your reps or duration to keep challenging yourself.
Today's workout targets your whole body in just 4 minutes. Here's the plan. 60 seconds plank hold to activate your core. 60 seconds of push-ups for upper body strength. 30 seconds of mountain climbers for cardio. 30 seconds of squats for lower body toning. 60 seconds of lunges for balance and leg strength. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. I've also pinned the form link in the comment section, so it's easy to find. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you.
Let's go over some key takeaways from today's workout. A 4-minute routine can deliver gym-like results when done consistently. These 5 exercises, squats, lunges, push-ups, mountain climbers, and plank holds, target all major muscle groups. Best of all, no equipment is needed, just bring your dedication and stay consistent for maximum benefits. And that's it. With just 5 simple exercises, you can create a full body workout that fits into any busy schedule. It doesn't take much time but makes a big impact. Remember, fitness is about finding what works for you and sticking to it. Try out this 4-minute workout, and let us know how you feel after a week. Stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.